If you like cooking, you're in the best place because this is Chica and Lammy's favorite cooking show. Thank you. It's me, Chica the Chicken, and welcome to Chica and Lammy's cooking show. And we have a special guest, Bendy the Ink Demon and Boris the Wolf. So Boris, tell me what we're going to make today. We're going to make orange chocolate. Exactly. So what you're going to need is some unknown chemicals. This is chemical red, and this is chemical yellow. Together, they make orange. Chica, I don't think this is a good idea. I think I'm going to quit. Well, Lammy, if you quit, maybe next episode, I might make how to make lamb chops. Okay, I'll stay. Wowzers, that's bad, even for me. Well, anyways, what else you need is a purple pumpkin, a new nickel, some orange chocolate chips, and a red and yellow pencil. Now just mix it all in. Okay, so once you mix the chocolate, oh my hat! Once you mix your chocolate, all the ingredients start to dissolve into your chocolate chips, which is why you don't see the pencil or the nickel or the chemicals. Okay, so something else that you have to do is put your chocolate in a nuclear reactor. Lammy, would you do the honors? Well, I think Boris should do it. Fantastic. Well, come on, you puppy. Just put it in. It's not like it's gonna kill you. Oh, wait. This is a big nuclear reactor. Okay, all I gotta do is put the chips in. Just put the chips in. Just put it in. Okay. 28. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
I did it. Wait a second. Don't tell me I have to pull these out of the nuclear reactor. Okay. It's melted. Okay, I think that's good to put in the thing. Good job, Boris. I guess I'm just gonna put the chocolate in the molder. You can go back to the stage now. This place is a psychopath for Chica. Or, what am I saying? This is a mental institution. We gotta get out of here. Chica's crazy. Wow, great job, Lammy. You filled the first tray. Thank you, Chica. Wow, this looks good. Dig in. Wait a second. Bendy, you should know better. The chocolate is melted, so we have to put it in the freezer so it hardens up. So, this is going to take a while. Well, we'll see you in episode 2 when we take the chocolate out of the freezer. Okay, this has been Chica's Cooking Show. And I'm your host, Chica.